that boasts of housing infrastructural marvels that are biggest, largest, and tallest. A land that is one of the world's most vibrant economy and democracy of our times. A land that hosts global leaders, policymakers, industry captains, and change makers on a single platform for conversation that breeds innovation. A land that is being led by the visionary leader, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, who laid down the foundation of world's most awaited investment summit, which has been building bridges every 2 years to connect the world on a single platform. Today, that platform has further transformed into a stage for global dialogue.
Hi everybody, my name is Pradyumna Kumar and welcome to my channel The Unstoppable Armor. Today we will discuss how Gujarat became the manufacturing hub of India. Gujarat has left behind the state of Maharastra to become the largest manufacturing hub in the country. Gujarat's gross value addition in the manufacturing sector grew 15.9% yearly on average between financial year 2012 and financial year 2021. The following are the key reasons behind Gujarat's progress: higher investment, most lucrative destination for FDI, petroleum capital of the nation, world's largest producer of processed diamonds, maximum number of seaports, largest number of special economic zones. Gujarat offers land at a comparatively very cheap price. Secondly, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has set up the Vibrant Summit, which is a regular investment summit. Although the 2021 edition of the Vibrant Summit was called off because of the pandemic, the state wrote personal letter to the chairman and CEOs of more than 700 global companies based in over 50 countries, inviting them to invest in Gujarat. Modi has also put wind in the sails of Gujarat by creating the Gift City in Ahmedabad, the country's first international financial services center that caters to customers outside the influence of the domestic economy. Attractive destination for FDI, Gujarat receives the highest FDI at 37% of the total equity inflows. Maharashtra and Karnataka had the second and third highest flow at 27% and 13% respectively. Gujarat has bagged the top spot in terms of highest FDI for the fourth consecutive year now. With a 37% share, Gujarat received a total FDI of $30 billion in 2020 and 21. Almost 94% of the investment that came in Gujarat during 2020 and 21 was in the computer hardware and software sector. The state accounts for 78% of the country's total FDI inflow in this sector. Petroleum capital of nation, Gujarat has a total installed power generation capacity of 38,256 megawatts. The major reason why the state of Gujarat is considered the petroleum capital of the country is owing to the presence of large refining capacity, which is set up by private and public sector enterprises. Government of Gujarat has been proactive in promoting the state's energy initiatives among the global investment communities. As a result, Gujarat, the land of entrepreneurs, has remained the most preferred investment destination. Largest producer of processed diamonds, the state of Gujarat is the largest producer of processed diamonds in the world. It accounts for 80% of the country's diamond exports and 72% of the world's processed diamond share. Maximum number of seaports, Gujarat has an extensive coastline, making it a strategic export location. Today, the state has 42 ports, including the major port of Kandla. The 1600 km coastline of Gujarat contribute 32% of national cargo. Largest number of SEZs, Government of Gujarat has accorded priority for setting up special economic zones and has introduced the Special Economic Zone Act 2004. The SEZ Act was made operational from May 2004. The state government also introduced amendment to the Industrial Dispute Act 1947 for providing flexible labor employment in special economic zones. Besides this, 378 SEZs are presently notified, out of which 265 are operational now. Lastly, if you learned something valuable from this video, then please press the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.